Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best radial arm saws that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the IKONI Radial Arm Saw Laser Guide. This is a unique addition to any radial arm saw setup, offering a bright, clear laser line for precision cutting. The automatic activation feature is especially impressive. It uses a centrifugal switch to turn on the laser when the saw blade rotates, ensuring seamless operation. Additionally, the Type-C charging port eliminates the need for frequent battery replacements, making it more convenient for professionals and hobbyists alike. The slim, snap-in design ensures compatibility with most saws, and installation is quick and straightforward. In terms of design, the IKONI Laser Guide is compact and lightweight, weighing just 1.44 ounces. Its plastic build feels sturdy and durable, and the bright yellow finish ensures visibility in workshop environments. With a rechargeable lithium polymer battery included, this accessory is both functional and eco-friendly. However, since this is more of an enhancement tool rather than a standalone saw, its utility depends heavily on the existing saw setup you have. The value proposition of the IKONI Laser Guide lies in its ability to elevate your cutting accuracy without breaking the bank. This product is ideal for woodworkers who already own a radial arm saw and are looking to improve precision and efficiency. On the downside, the lack of a price point and limited customer reviews make it harder to gauge its accessibility and reliability. But with a perfect 5.0 star rating from early adopters, it's clear that users who've tried it are impressed. Coming in at number 4 is the Evolution Power Tools R185SMS Plus sliding miter saw. This saw stands out for its multi-material cutting capabilities, made possible by its patented tungsten carbide-tipped blade. Whether you're working with wood, plastic, aluminum, or mild steel, this saw cuts through it all with minimal sparks, heat, or burrs. It also boasts a 45-degree bevel and 50-degree miter angle settings, making it highly versatile for various cutting applications. With a laser cutting guide, a carry handle, and a premium clamp system, this saw is packed with features that cater to both professional and DIY users. The design of the R185SMS Plus is robust yet practical. It's slightly larger, with dimensions of 48 inches by 24 inches by 12 inches, but it compensates with its ergonomic carry handle for portability. While the build quality feels solid, the 7.25-inch rod blade size may limit its use for larger projects. Another standout feature is the dust collection bag, which helps keep your workspace cleaner during extended cutting sessions. At $195, the R185SMS Plus strikes a balance between performance and affordability. This saw is perfect for users who require a versatile tool for cutting multiple materials without investing in separate machines. However, it's worth noting that the cutting power is slightly less robust compared to higher-end models, making it more suited for lighter-duty tasks. With its 3-year warranty and innovative features, this saw is an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers who need flexibility in their projects. At number 3, we have the DEWALT DWS713 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw. Known for its reliability and precision, this saw features a stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops, ensuring accuracy across a range of cutting angles. The tall sliding fence supports vertical cuts up to 4¼ inches, making it perfect for crown molding and baseboard projects. With a powerful 15-amp motor, this saw delivers a no-load speed of 5,000 RPM, cutting through wood effortlessly. The DWS713 is designed with DEWALT's signature attention to detail. It weighs 31 pounds, making it relatively lightweight and portable, compared to other mid-range miter saws. The brushed finish gives it a professional look, while the machined base fence support adds durability and stability during operation. However, the bevel range is slightly limited, with cuts only up to 48 degrees to the left and 3 degrees to the right. Priced at $229, this saw offers excellent value for its precision and build quality. It's ideal for contractors or DIY enthusiasts who require a reliable tool for medium-duty tasks. While it's not the most feature-rich saw on the list, its consistent performance and DEWALT's trusted reputation make it a solid choice. On the downside, the dust management system could be improved, as it doesn't capture all debris effectively. Coming in hot at number 2 is the DEWALT DWS715 12-inch miter saw, our premium pick. This saw is built for heavy-duty tasks, featuring a powerful 15-amp motor with a no-load speed of 4,500 RPM. Its stainless steel miter detent plate provides 14 positive stops for accuracy, while the tall sliding fence accommodates vertical cuts up to 5½ inches. Whether you're working with dimensional lumber or crown molding, this saw delivers consistent, precise results. The build quality of the DWS715 is truly premium. Weighing 42.8 pounds, it's heavier than other models, but this adds to its stability during operation. The brushed finish and machined base fence support underscore its professional-grade design. The bevel range is notably generous, with 0 to 48 degrees to the left and 0 to 3 degrees to the right, allowing for versatile cutting angles. Priced at $285.78, the DWS715 is the go-to choice for professionals who demand top-tier performance. Its large 12-inch blade cuts through thicker materials, making it ideal for large-scale projects. However, its heft and higher price point may deter casual users or those working in smaller spaces. With DEWALT's reputation for reliability and precision, the DWS715 is a worthy investment for serious woodworkers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Metabo HPT C10 FCGS 10-inch compound miter saw, the ultimate budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. This saw packs a punch with its 15-amp motor, delivering a no-load speed of up to 5,000 RPM for smooth and precise cuts. Its lightweight design, at just 24.2 pounds, makes it incredibly portable, while the large table provides excellent material support for added safety and accuracy. With a 0-52-degree miter angle range and 0 to 45-degree bevel range, this saw can handle a variety of woodworking applications. The Metabo HPT C10 FCGS is thoughtfully designed for ease of use. The thumb-actuated positive stops allow quick miter adjustments, and the vise clamping system secures your workpiece for precision cuts. While the 24T TCT blade included isn't the most advanced, it's more than sufficient for general woodworking tasks. The plastic handle is ergonomic, but it doesn't feel as premium as the higher-end models. Priced at just $119, this saw delivers exceptional value for money. It's perfect for hobbyists, DIYers, or anyone who needs a reliable tool on a budget. While it lacks some advanced features like sliding fences or premium materials, its performance and ease of use make it the best entry-level miter saw on the market. With a 5-year warranty and glowing customer reviews, the Metabo HPT C10 FCGS is a clear winner in this lineup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.